these choppers gon' blast. I got that check now, flex now, buzz down, look at my wrist now. I don't wanna text now, give me my check now.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a bob look. I know y'all be missing me. I'm back and I'm better. Y'all see my teeth? If y'all haven't seen me without braces, y'all should go check out my last video. Yeah, was it my last video? Or my video before that, where I show y'all guys I got my braces off. I'm so excited. So if I be smiling, I still haven't gotten over this whole smiling thing. So check me out. But today we are going to be doing a bob look, and this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. So I think I did like 4 other videos on Beauty Forever Hair. I really like their hair, but this is something new. I usually do long hair. I did a straight wig. I think I had a body wave wig, which was bomb. But now this is a bob. So y'all, if you're like me, I'm just gonna talk real quick. When I think bob, I think of that little meme where it's like this, or I automatically think light skin Keisha. It's no hate, no shade. I just automatically think that, and I'm like, okay, I haven't had a bob in a while, so when they offered to send me the bob, I was like, okay, let's just see how this is. So this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. All the stuff for this hair will be dropped in the description box below, but let's go ahead and jump into this. So excuse the light. I finally ordered my ring light cord. If you've been watching my videos, you've been seeing that my light has been terrible because I have not ordered my ring light cord. I lost it, and yeah, so I'm using my vanity light. It's a little bit better than just no light, but we're getting there, so be patient with me. It should be here Friday, and the other videos that I do, we should be back and better, full effect, nice lighting, all that, period. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all the wig first, and then so this is the wig. And I tried to like do a little bump curl just as it was on here. I haven't did anything to it. It already came like with a middle part, so I just kind of laid it down with some mousse because I don't have what am I trying to say? A hot comb. So yeah, so this is she, and let's just hope she'd be really pretty, you guys. Okay, and we're gonna do the ball cap method today because I haven't done it in a while, and I feel like because I already like giving a middle part and I want it to be laid a little bit more, now I'm gonna just go ahead and do the ball cap method. So right now I'm just taking these pins out. It's in wig caps. And I guess and they also sent these clips to go on the inside. I'm not going to use those today, but I'm going to use, I guess I'll use this wig cap because this one has a hole in it. Yeah, so I'm going to use the wig caps that they sent. And yeah, if y'all see me looking in the mirror, it's because I'm trying to make sure everything's straight. So this is just one wig cap, and I just have my hair in a low ponytail. I did not feel like braiding my hair, and yeah, that was just that. I did not feel like braiding my hair at all. So go ahead and put this on. Take my glasses off. I know y'all seen that video where they broke the hole. Hold up, I gotta find my scissors, y'all. Gonna cut me some eye holes because I think that's hilarious. Oh my god, if I could grab it without freaking cutting myself. Oh. I got too big of a piece, y'all, and I'm gonna end up let me stop playing, because if I cut this side alright, let me stop playing because I thought it was gonna be funny, but y'all, I ain't do it right. So yeah, so let me put it down because I'm end up messing this up for real. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this. Oh, not even cutting what I'm supposed to be cutting, which is a little hole for my ear, so it could lay right. Oh. Okay. I look silly. Alright, so now I'm just gonna spray this all along the hairline. And then, oh, see, I should have all my stuff together while I'm sitting here playing. don't even know where it is. But I need my comb, but we're just gonna go ahead and blow dry this. So yeah, I know I look real silly. Y'all probably like, yeah, this gotta be a joke. But I'm just trying to make sure this is down. It feels like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And just trim off all this extra stuff. Make sure you be careful when you cut in because you could end up cutting your edges for real. Okay, so now that I got all that cut off, I'm just about to take some alcohol, just regular alcohol, and just not try to put it on there, but just clean my forehead off. As y'all can see, it makes a big difference. So I'm just gonna try to clean my forehead off a little bit, and yeah. And then I'm just gonna take some, I got this from Walmart. I just needed some quick stuff for when I do my wigs. So I'm going to apply this on my cap. And I don't have a big brush, so I'm just gonna use this small brush that I do have. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna get all over my hair, but because I'm doing the middle part, I'm just gonna do it down the middle, really. And around the edge part, around my edges, just and I tried to find a complexion that was closer to my skin, but y'all, I'm not the best at this stuff, so it was a little difficult, but hopefully this is a little bit decent. And then I'm going to put some on the inside of the wig. Probably just, this is not a full lace. This is just, I think it's a closure. So it's just that little piece. So I'm gonna just put a little bit on that piece. I'm going to take the little straps in the back and I'm just going to pull them tightly across each other. I always cross mine, so like this one on this side go all the way across, this one on this side go all the way across. So I'm just gonna take these and cross them all the way across. Yeah, okay. I know we're looking a little bit wild right now, just a little bit, but after I flat iron it, I feel like it'll look way better. So I'm gonna figure out where I want my actual part at to come down. Pull this back a little bit. Okay. And while I wait, I'm going to go ahead and plug up my flat iron. To make sure that it's hot and ready for me. Okay. So this is what we're working with. And I'm just going to now take my, I hate when my hair get caught in my lip gloss. I'm going to take this Got2b glue and I'm going to put a dab of it on my hand. It's a little, haven't used it in a while, a little bit watered. And I'm going to take some of this and spray it. Then I'm going to take the end of my comb and mix it together. And this is honestly tight, so if I really wanted to do a like glueless, I would be able to do glueless, but I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it down. And as y'all can see, the part is already plugged, so that's good. So I'm going to try to do this the best way I can. I'm looking in this little itty bitty spot right here, and I'm just gonna put this all right here on my edge, right on the edge of the thing. Oops. And y'all already know I'm not no pro. I really just do this to show y'all that you can do it on your own. So they usually don't show you, oh, I messed up and stuff like that. So this is why I show y'all how I do mine. Okay, then I'm gonna pull it down. Oh, I do it on my hand. And then take the blow dryer. Hopefully it start to stick. And then what I'm going to do before I cut my lace is take a scarf and tie it around. So, oh, y'all, I'm struggling with this hair in my face. So I'm just going to take this like this. Oh, that did that did not go as planned. Okay, one more time. I'm gonna try my best to take this. And okay, now I could just scoop this up like this and make sure the lace is down, is pulled down. And it don't matter if I'm messing up because I'm gonna flat iron this anyway. So I'm gonna just let this sit like this, and then I'm gonna come back and flat iron it just to make sure it's down a little bit. Alright, so now I'm about to cut the lace. I let it sit. I should let it sit a little bit longer, but I'm kind of in a rush. So, I'm gonna just put this up. And I split it like that, and then I'm about to just go in the mirror closer and cut it down. Okay, so I cut the lace, as y'all can see. I try to cut it as close as possible. I'm gonna clean up my forehead. But yeah, so now I'm about to go in and just flat iron it. And hopefully it'll start coming together a little bit more. My flat iron not as not hot yet. I don't know why. Oh, cause it turned off. Okay. so it's a little hotter now. So ooh, I'm gonna poke myself in the eye. Yeah, it's way hotter now. So I'm just gonna go through and just flat iron. I'm trying to like swoop it like this, cause I think it's supposed to be like one of them bobs that flow, like it's shorter in the back and then it's supposed to come like long in the front. So I'm just curling it a little bit, like a little bump, not like no big bump or nothing. Just doing it like that. See? So y'all see the difference? Okay. So I like that. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm being lazy, but a good thing to do is the comb method. So that would just be taking your comb, putting it through, and actually like flat ironing like that. But like I said, I'm being lazy, so if I had to did it on a mannequin, I would probably did it that way. looking like this is a pretty long bob, so it's kind of like if I was able to cut it, I would cut it. But if you like long bobs, I feel like I would just have to get used to it, and I would most definitely need a hot comb, or I would put some more mousse on here so I could make sure it's super flat, and make sure that I put like some braids in my hair to make sure it's super flat. But as y'all can see, that made a big difference. Me making sure that the top is super flat. And I like how the part is already pre-plucked for me. So that was good. I didn't have to do no plucking like I thought I was gonna have to do. So now, one thing I can say, like I said, if y'all don't like the uneven look, you can always cut it yourself. But I'm no professional, so I'm not gonna try to cut it. I'm gonna just try to bump it as much as I can. But this hair is really soft, and I really like it though. I like it. It's something different, something new that I haven't tried before. So I just have to like step out of my comfort zone with it. I mean, bobs are not for everybody. And I mean, would I like get a bob? Probably. I don't know. I like it though. It's okay. It's alright. It's not. So then I'm just going to do a little swoop for my baby hair. And like, yeah. So I'm gonna probably do like something like that. And just cut it and then swoop it. Okay, so I just did like a little swoop, and I'm gonna just keep this down like this. But for this to be like the first bob I tried, like, I'm low-key feeling it, you know. I would have to get used to it, but I feel like it's really, like, it looks really natural to me. With, oh, I got a little hair here. But yeah, it looks really natural to me. The part already comes pre-plucked. If you wanted to like push it back, or you wanted to like do like a different things, I would recommend probably getting like a full lace instead of just like right here. But if you wanted to just do a middle part, this was easy to install and everything. So I'm really, it'll take some getting used to, you know. I like long, very long. So it would just, like I said, it'll just take some getting used to. This is like my first bob. I don't think I really had like a bob like back in 11th grade, and I'm about to be a junior in college. So yeah, but this is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all go check out Beauty Forever Hair and my other videos where I did Beauty Forever Hair. If y'all not feeling the bob, I most definitely recommend that y'all check out their body wave and all that other stuff, because they are bomb, like very bomb. I like the body wave wig is one of my most favorite wigs that I received from them. So yeah, so go check that out. Go check out my other videos. Be looking out for more videos from me. Like I said, comment down below and let me know if y'all feeling the bob, or if y'all like my other wigs. More videos coming soon, and make sure y'all check out the description box, and I have a code down in the description box for you guys, so y'all can get a percentage off. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next video. Bye.
Racks on me the long way. Guess how much on me now?
I got that check now, flex now,